Students, today we are going to understand how to express concentration of solutions. So there are many ways to express the concentration, like first of all is molarity, then molality. The difference between molarity and molality is this R and this L. So you have to pay more concentration that when I am speaking molarity and when I am speaking molality. The other method is normality, then mole fraction, then we have strength, we have formality, we have percentage weight by weight means mass percent volume by volume, and then percent weight by volume, and this weight by volume is also known as percent strength. There are many more such type of ways by which we can express the concentration of solutions. Today we are going to discuss molarity, molality and normality. So first of all we are going to deal with molarity. So students, what is molarity? So the definition for molarity is it is the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. Per liter means liter is used to measure volume. So volume of solution will be in the denominator and it must be in liters. So now from here we can conclude the formula that molarity, it is represented by capital M. Moles of solute, so it can be represented by N and a subscript B. B for solute. Here we will write B will be used for solute and A will be used for solvent. So NB means moles of solute and volume of solution in liters. Usually we are provided with the volume in milliliters. So in that case we will write here volume in ml and we will convert this in liter by dividing it by 1000, and this 1000 will go in the numerator and the formula will now look like this: ml and 1000. Now in some cases normally you are not provided directly with the moles. Moles की जगह आपको क्या दिया जाता है? Weight of solute. So in that case the formula changes to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute volume in ml into 1000. Generally this formula is used for molarity. Now what will be the units for molarity? So this can be concluded from the first definition, like moles of solute, so the unit will be mole. Per liter of solution, so liter of solution means the unit here will be liter, so this will be the unit mole per liter, or it can also be written as directly capital M. Now the second way of expressing the concentration is molality. So molality is number of moles of solute. यूजुअली मैं आपको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट और एक कीवर्ड बता देती हूँ. पूरी केमिस्ट्री में जहाँ कहीं भी कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस की बात की जाए, ध्यान रखिएगा, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, वहाँ हमेशा ऊपर सॉल्यूट रहेगा और नीचे सॉल्वेंट रहेगा, बट द ओनली एक्सेप्शन इज मोलैलिटी. इसलिए मैं इसको स्टार मार्क कर रही हूँ. द ओनली एक्सेप्शन टू दिस इज मोलैलिटी. मतलब हर कहीं हमें ऊपर सॉल्यूट नीचे सॉल्यूशन, चाहे वो उसके मोल हो, वॉल्यूम हो, वेट हो, वॉल्यूम हो, मोल्स हो, कुछ भी हो, ऊपर सॉल्यूट रहेगा नीचे सॉल्यूशन रहेगा, बट द ओनली एक्सेप्शन इज मोलैलिटी, जहाँ ऊपर मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट है और नीचे हमें मिलेगा वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. दिस इज एक्सेप्शन, दैट्स वाई आई हैव मार्क्ड इट एज स्टार, कि एक्सेप्शन है जहाँ पर हमें सॉल्वेंट मिल रहा है, एंड दिस वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट विल बी इन kg. So the formula now becomes that moles of solute will be represented by NB and weight of solution, weight of solvent. Solvent के लिए हमने term use करनी A, so WA, and this weight will be in kg. What if it is given in grams, then you will convert it into kg by, if it is in gram, WA in gram, so you will divide it by 1000 and this will go into upper side and you will get WA in grams 1000. So you can write molality by using small m. Capital M was for molarity and small m is for molality, and the complete formula, if you are not provided directly with the moles, instead you are provided with the weight of the solute. So in that case, WB will represent the weight of the solute, MB will represent the molecular weight. This WB by MB will be the formula for moles of solute, and this WA which will be in gram, and 1000. If it is in kg, then this 1000 will be omitted, and this will be the direct formula for molality. Now comes normality. So students, the third and the very most important is normality. Normality is represented by capital N. One more thing left in molality is unit. यूनिट की अगर हम बात करें तो मोलालिटी का फॉर्मूला था मोल्स डिवाइडेड बाय वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन केजी. सो सिंपली द यूनिट विल बी मोल पर केजी, और वी कैन राइट स्मॉल m. So this will be the unit of the molality. Now comes to normality. It is represented by capital N, and the definition in the formula will be number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents of, again सॉल्यूट. मैंने आपको एक कीवर्ड बताया था कि ऊपर हमेशा सॉल्यूट, नीचे हमेशा सॉल्यूशन. सो नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्वलेंट्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इन लीटर. सो वी कैन राइट नॉर्मेलिटी के लिए कैपिटल एन, ग्राम इक्वलेंट्स के लिए हम लिख सकते हैं ग्राम इक्वलेंट. किसके लिए चाहिए हमें? सॉल्यूट के लिए. तो ग्राम इक्वलेंट डिवाइडेड बाय बी फॉर सॉल्यूट, and volume of solution in liter. If it is in ml, then again you will convert this into liter. Now gram equivalent is what? Gram equivalent is weight of solute by equivalent weight of solute, and this volume in ml, and this 1000. Now the formula for normality is this. Now that comes up, we will come to units. Unit will be gram equivalent per liter, or simply we can write capital N. Now when we compare this normality with molarity, so the formula for molarity was, molarity is WB by MB into volume in ml, and this 1000 if it is in ml. So what is the basic similarity, or we can say difference? What is the similarity? That here it is also weight 1000 volume, weight 1000 volume. So the difference is यहाँ नॉर्मेलिटी में इक्वलेंट वेट है और मोलैरिटी में मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है. सो व्हाट इज द कोरिलेशन बिटवीन दिस इक्वलेंट वेट एंड मॉलिक्यूलर वेट? सो वी कैन सी दिस थिंग हियर, दैट equivalent weight is always molecular weight divided by valency factor. This valency factor is the major term here. What is a valency factor? Valency factor is like if we are having an acid. So acid के केस में valency factor will be the basicity of the acid. Basicity of the acid. For example, if we are having H2SO4. So how much H plus ion it can give? It can give 2H plus ion. So the basicity of this acid is 2 and the valency factor will be 2. If we are having acid HCl, so it can give 1H plus. So the basicity of this acid HCl is 1, means the valency factor is 1. Similarly in case of bases, so bases के केस में valency factor will be the acidity of the base. Acidity of the base, like if we are having a base NaOH, so how much OH negative यानी hydroxyl ion it can give? So it can give 1 hydroxyl ion, so the acidity of this base is 1. Suppose if we are having a case of aluminum hydroxide, so how much OH negative ions it can give? It can give 3 OH negative ions, so the valency factor is 3 for the base. If we are having any salt, So in case of salt, the valency factor is the total positive or negative charge, total positive or negative charge, because these will be balanced. Like if we are having a case of Al2SO4 whole thrice, so in this case valency factor is, just break it, Al3 plus SO4 2 minus, and when you balance the equation, here aluminum is 2, so you will write this 2, sulfate ions are 3, you will write 3. So positive charge is 2 3s are 6 positive, 3 2s are 6 negative. So either you can use 6 positive or 6 negative, because this positive negative is not needed, we will use only 6. So the valency factor in case of Al2SO3 is 6. So now we can compare this normality and molarity. How? In formula of normality, we will write normality is WB. In place of this equivalent weight, we will write molecular weight by valency factor. So molecular weight by valency factor, this volume and this 1000. Now this valency factor will come here, and the rest of the thing is become molarity. So here we got this formula that normality is molarity into valency factor. This valency factor varies. It may be in case of acid it is the basicity of the acid, in case of bases it is the acidity of the base, in case of salt it is total positive or negative charge, in case of a neutral atom, in case of a neutral atom it is the valency of the atom, valency of the atom. In case of a redox reaction, so in case of redox reaction it is the number of moles of electron used in the reaction. So it may vary, that's why we have used this valency factor. So that's all for today. Questions on these topics. Thank you and have a nice day.